Hi there and welcome back to another weekly WOLFF vlog. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning your espresso machine and your espresso grinder. I can't stress enough how important it is to keep your equipment clean, as not cleaning your machines could quite easily make you serve up a dirty, below standard espresso, but can it even lead to one of these two machines breaking down. So let's take a look at some really simple and easy practices you can adopt to keep both of these machines in running order and you serving up some sweet espressos. So first up, one of the things we do here at WOLFF is called a cloth management system. Now I know it sounds really complicated, but it is truly simple. It's just the cloths that you have on your bar all have their own purpose. So we're not mixing purposes of cloths. For instance, I'm not using my milk cloth to wipe down my bench, nor am I using my bench cloth to wipe down the tray or the steam wand. Now I know some cafes even use color coordinated cloths to identify with different purposes, and I think that's fantastic. So the first likely place you're going to want to clean is around the grinder. Now I have a Palo grinder brush here, but if you can't pick up one of these, then a quick trip down to your hardware store to pick up a paintbrush is also going to do the job. Now, any grinds that fall outside of your filter basket and onto the bench, you're going to want to clean up before they start to build up, as once the grinds are on the bench, they can easily transfer onto your hands, and then from your hands, pretty much anywhere they'll go. Once you touch cups or milk jugs, you can find grinds there. So you want to remove those grinds and just quickly sweep them up into the bin as you go. At the end of the day, I'm going to close off the chute to my grinder and grind out any beans that were left in the chute. Then I'm going to remove my hopper, empty those beans into a bag to be stored overnight and used the following day. Then I'm going to use the steam wand, or you can just use a warm cloth to wipe out the inside of the hopper to ensure you remove the materials and oil buildup that has been left there during the day, as leaving it in there for long periods can stain the inside of your hopper, but also taint fresh coffee the following day. Over to the espresso machine now, and throughout the day, oils and grind will build up in and around the group head on the shower screen and through your group handle. And at WOLFF, we recommend during periods of busy service that you clean and give your group head a clean water backflush without any chemical at least once every hour, and also popping out your filter baskets and giving your baskets a rinse as well as the group heads. Also scrubbing in and around the seal with a brush like this Palo group head brush will be really easy to keep all this area clean. Now we recommend to do this once every hour. At the end of the day, we remove the shower screens entirely from the machine and soak them in warm water and espresso cleaner. Now the espresso cleaner we use here at WOLFF is Cafetto Evo espresso machine cleaner. There are many other products out there that work just as good. Now this is a food grade chemical, and I can tell you that it will clean the dirtiest of handles in 5 minutes, and you only need to use a small amount when cleaning both your espresso machine and soaking your group handles. Along with removing your shower screens, we're going to soak the group heads and the filter baskets in the chemical. Also, with a spare group handle, we want to use a small bit of the espresso machine cleaner to backflush each one of the group heads. Some machines come with an auto clean cycle. However, if your machine does not, then you want to lock in your group handle, run through a brew cycle for 4 seconds, stop and wait for 20 seconds, and then go again for 4 seconds and repeat that cycle for 5 times. And that ensures that the chemical passes through the machine and allows a thorough clean. Now with the steam wand needs to be kept clean throughout the shift as well by using your milk cloth after every use. If you do start to see build-up in and around the tip, either using another warm cloth to wipe it down or soaking it in some espresso machine cleaner will loosen it up to be able to wipe it off. Whatever you do, do not use a spoon to scratch off the scum. However, after loosening it up, you are able to use the back of your palo. There are some ribs there that make it really easy to remove any scum that has built up over the day. Other cleaning duties we would recommend throughout the day and at the end of the shift is definitely you're wanting to clean out your drip tray of any grinds and water that have built up, as that will turn skunky overnight and also possibly block your drain. So removing your drip tray and wiping that clean, but also behind the drip tray, there is also a catchment tray which catches any further grinds from going down the drain, and you want to also clean that out. Also giving your espresso machine and your espresso grinder a nice wipe down to remove any of those espresso stains that have flicked off throughout the day, and giving the front a wipe down so it's presentable to the customers is something else we would recommend. So that's it for cleaning your espresso machine and your espresso grinder today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.